Hey guys, so okay, look, I might have a slight shopping addiction and I need to like kick it to the curb, as they say. But I got a box from Gorjana. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but it's like this jewelry store. And I ordered this in November when I was in Mexico for something family related. That's not. I'll talk about it, I guess, if you guys want to hear about that, if you're interested enough in my life. But I ordered this in November, and I finally just now got it because I accidentally put in my old address because I paid with PayPal, so it was easier. Turned out it wasn't easier because I hadn't updated my address from PayPal. So that means that it got sent to my address in Texas, and then it had to be sent back, and then it had to be sent to, oh my god, this is so cute, look. So these are, so I'll show you what they are. That's the name of the brand. It's called Gorjana, and it says, sent me like a little, jewelry made with intention, defined by quality, meant to inspire. It's like this, and it has like a little like packet with like their jewelry store. So I think this is a local store, because when I was in Texas I didn't know that, but now that I'm here, you know, I have Nordstrom a pair. Yep, and these are my ear climbers. Ooh, look at me being trendy. JK, I'm like behind because I feel like these were cool, and also like look at this packaging paper. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like the ocean. It's like the ocean. I'm honestly probably gonna keep this and like frame it or something, make something artsy with it, so it's like cute. Also, my house is really freaking hot. Sorry, I just kicked my laptop. I'm really shaken up today because I had to do like so much well, not debugging, but just like running into technical issues. Debugging is actually my favorite part, just because I don't have to like make anything out of scratch. Like, I really enjoy writing code once it's finished. Like, once I have an end product and I'm like, wow, I did that, like, that's so cool of me, you know? But if I have a choice, I will always choose debugging over like writing the code, just because I enjoy like figuring out what the errors mean and like fixing them. Also, my eyebrows look a little bit weird right now. They look like so dark here, and then like not dark here. Okay, whatever. So this is what it comes in. It's a little, also ignore my ratchet nails. Throughout the day, I kind of like pick on them like this. That's why they're like that. I really need to repaint them. Also, my nails are like, they like peel. Oh my god, I forgot that this camera like focuses really well, so that's exciting. Look at that, you can see. Okay, so this is the bag, and it says live, love, laugh, layer. God damn it. Live, love, layer. And it's a cute little like dust bag for your earrings. It's not very soft, kind of more cottony, like fresh. And I got these cute little ear climbers. These were originally $55, but I got them on sale for $15, y'all. 15. I feel like that's pretty good. I was not expecting the back. Like, they're so cute. Oh my god. I feel like you could also wear these as like dangly. Just because I'm looking at the back now. And it's kind of like, here, I'll show y'all. Well, honestly, I could show you now. They're like thin. Like that. These were not $55. Don't yell at me. I only spent $15 on these earrings, but they're so cute. Like, I am in love with them. Look at them. They're called the ear climber. They're in the Rider. I would have made this a long time ago, but I know you guys like can't buy them anymore, I think, because these were like a final sale. So that's sad, but they have such other great other projects. I'm just thinking about my work. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta get back to it after this, and then I have to do OChem, so it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna put it in. Honestly, I don't even know how these go. Like, am I gonna be able to take it out? Guess we'll see. Ew, I hate the feeling of like when an earring's going through and it doesn't quite make it to the other side, and then it's just poking at your skin, and you're like, wait, that doesn't look right. Wait. Oh, here, maybe I gotta go like this. Are my ears too fat? Oh my god, y'all. How do you make your ears skinny to fit into these? You gotta squish them. Squish them real tight. Squish. Y'all, this is an actual like, look. I have fat ears. What? Okay, look. Oh my god. They're so... Did I even... There we go. These are so cute. I never want to take them off, ever. Oh my god! Yo! I feel like they have some other earrings that are kind of like this. And these don't fall. Like, you saw how much I struggled putting them on. Like, these are in there. These are like... I wonder if they're gonna make ears weird shapes. Like, look... Those are so cute. My ears are so weird. Now that I'm like looking up close at my ears, I'm like, ooh, what's happening with that? Oh, but they're so cute. I'm so in love with them. Let me put on the other one just to match. Also, I haven't been really wearing earrings because like dangly earrings freak me out. I don't know if anybody else like ever thinks that like someone's gonna like pull your ear while you're wearing dangly earrings, or like I don't know, I just, like, I hate that feeling when, like, something's, like, tugging on your ear. Right now, my, like, oh, where's the little thing? Oh, yeah, and it comes with, like, a little stopper. This stopper is so squishy. I usually have hard, I don't even think I need this. Like, if I put it on, will it hurt? This is so hard. Ow. Okay, you know what? I don't think you even need this. So I'm just going to keep this in the little plastic baggie. These are the Rider Shimmer Ear Climbers. And they're so cute. But, like, I struggled putting them on. I don't think I'm going to ever take them off. I don't know if that's hygienic. Probably not. I should probably take them off. Plus, I'm going to sleep. Like, what if well, your ears can't die. Yeah, they can. Any tissue can die, Andrea. Any tissue can die. Where's all your training? Oh yeah, so I was really interested in health professions, still am. I want to be a genetic counselor. If you guys want to know what that is. Ooh, why are you refocusing? Okay, look. They're so cute. Also, I'm really glad you guys can't see my peach fuzz because like I have a lot. So yeah. But I feel like they're so cute because they're like so understated, and this gold isn't like such a in-your-face gold. Like, it almost can pass off as silver when it reflects certain things. So I'm super excited about these. These are going to be like my new earrings that I wear all the time. So my boyfriend actually got me this really cute pair of earrings. So let me go get them. Things that he got me are these really cute dangly earrings. They're really cool. Like, they're not necessarily my style, but they're really cool because of what they are, and they're really easy to put on. They're just dangly, and it like hurts. It doesn't really hurt because they're not too big, but if I wear them for too long, like, I feel that, and I don't like that. But they're cute. Like, let me show you up close why they're special. So these are from Hawaii, and they are made by a artisan. I've, why aren't you focusing? There we go. So they're cute little jellyfish earrings, and these were made by an artist. So basically so you can see that they're not identical because they weren't machine produced. They were made by hands. Like by hands, by a person. So they're glass blown, and they're beautiful. And I really do love them. I just like, I don't know what to pair them with because everything I wear is kind of like this, and it doesn't really go with like this type of dangly earrings, you know? Like I just don't know what to pair them with. That's what my problem is with those earrings. But like I love them and I wish I could just like keep them in a glass case to like look at them because they are so mesmerizing. All right, who's ready for me to put in my other earring on my other fat ear? I can't put it in. Oh my god, what if I could only put this one in? And then, do you see that? It's turning red. Am I like gonna die? Maybe I need to like, maybe. Oh, you can definitely mold them. So because this back part is so skinny, oh, here we go. Because this back part is so thin, you can just pull it a little bit and it'll like give. You can push it back in. So maybe what I needed to do for this one was kind of like pull it out a little bit. That way it's not like turning my ear red. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I really hope I don't lose these because they're beautiful. And if I do lose them, I'm going to be so sad. Because they've already made such a long journey. Oh. Y'all, like, is there how to put on an ear climber tutorial? Because I'm struggling. Like, does it go... How did I put this one in? But look at that. It's so cute. I look so edgy. Like, I look like I have a bunch of piercings, and I'm like, you know, like, I feel so, why am I like this? Why? Y'all, it's really hot in here. But I can't take this off because it's like, it's a sweatshirt, but I use it as a shirt. Does anybody else use sweatshirts as shirts? Because I do. I use them like that all the time. And sometimes someone will be like, oh, just take off your sweatshirt. And you're like, but I can't. And they're like, why? And you're like, ow! This actually hurts. I think going through. I don't want to bleed. There we go. I got it. I got it. Alright. Now we gotta shuffle. Trivel. What is that word called? Shuffle? No. Swivel! We gotta swivel it because it's like hanging. So now we gotta like go up and stuff my ear in there. Stuff it. Stuff my ear. Stuff in my ear. You guys can't. This is really hard. This is really difficult. Ow. My ear's gonna be red after this. It's gonna be so like mad at me. It's gonna be like, why are you stuffing me into something I can't fit in? My legs at that point would also be like that. Oh, if only my legs could talk, they'd be like, why you do this to us? You know you're killing us, right? Okay, so this is a finished product. Just kidding. I'm gonna keep trying. Do y'all ever get like tired and you're like, okay, I'm gonna give up, and like you see it, what you've done so far and you're like, no, I'm so close, I just gotta finish. Okay, you know what, I opened it up more to stuff my big fat ear in there. Okay, alright. Oh, so I guess my ear just needed more room. Ow, this is starting to hurt. I thought ear climbers would be so, like, I wanted them because I thought they wouldn't hurt, but they hurt because they don't fit because my ears are fat. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. I got it. Yeah, so these are never coming off because they were so freaking hard. That's what they look like. They're so cute. Okay, do you guys think I can pull them off? I like low-key think I can, but like, what? Oh my god. Sorry, I just got really excited. But, oh, okay, I definitely feel like it's squishing my ear. And it's just like cutting off the circulation. Ow. There we go. Okay. Squish, squishy, squish, squish. There we go. So like this middle part hurts because it's too squishy on my ear, you know? Okay. Does anybody else wear ear climbers? Cause like I really like what they look like. And I like that they're so, like, dainty. Right now they have another, they have more air climbers. They're not as dainty as these, but they do have some other ones that are like these like square emerald cut looking crystals. And I was gonna buy those, but then my mom was like, well, shouldn't you try them first with something like smaller and see if you like them and then get the other ones, especially if these were on sale. I honestly think she just said that because they were on sale, but whatever. It worked out for my wallet. Okay. This one doesn't feel right for some reason. Okay, so this is what they look like up close. Please don't look at my sideburns. Okay, you can't even see them. Oh, there we go. There we go. So don't look at my sideburns, ignore that. Ignore my freckles and like all my gross skin. But this is what they look like. I think they're so cute. And also my eyes like freaking out because I'm like looking over here, looking over there. Ooh, oh my god. Anyways, so yeah. Let me know if you guys enjoy this video with my fat ears. This one still doesn't feel right, so I'm just gonna like keep fiddling with it and hope I don't rip my ear off. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, right now it's like 6 o'clock and it's dark outside, and I don't like that. I like Texas where it stays like light all day until like 9 p.m. and then in the winter it's until like 6 or 7. But here it turns dark around like 4 or 5, and I'm like, that's way too early. Did I put this one on right? Like, why does it look like that? Anyways, yeah. So just let me know if you guys like this video or not. Like, do I like these? Do I like them? Like, I think I do, but I also feel a little bit like I'm wearing like an ear mic for some reason. I don't know why. I just do. Like, I low-key like them, but I'm like, you know? And also, like, them squishing my ear doesn't help. Okay. Bye, guys. I hope you like this video.